Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Kumar Gupta. I welcome you on our official YouTube channel St. Xavier's Online Classes. Today I am going to discuss reflection and rotational symmetry for class 7th Mathematics. Okay, before we start I would like to request you please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get new notifications of new videos. Okay, so reflection and rotational symmetry, it is the chapter 12 of class 7th. Okay, what is the symmetry? Symmetry means like our hands. I am showing the palms of my both the hands. Okay, so we can see this and we can say that the two hands are the mirror image of each other, because if we put on that they are completely cover the another one. Okay, so symmetry is the सिमेट्री का मतलब यही है कि जब दो फिगर्स दो चीज़ें एक ही जैसी हों, बिल्कुल शेप साइज सब कुछ एक ही हो, तो उनको क्या बोलेंगे? सिमेट्रिक फिगर्स. दे हैव सिमेट्री इन देयर फिगर्स, इन देयर शेप, इन देयर साइज. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. नाउ व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन? We know about this from the science that reflection is when we put a mirror in front of any object, we see it like this. If suppose that we have written word E and its mirror image will be lateral inverted E. Okay, this is figure which is mirror image of the capital E. Okay, so if we put this image on this, so we can say these two are the symmetric figures. Obviously this is at the same distance from this mirror line. This is also known as reflection line, this is also known as mirror line, and this is also said to be line of symmetry of this figure with this figure. Okay, so this is line of symmetry for this figure with this figure. These two are symmetric about this line. We can also say this in this way. Okay, so reflection is nothing but the transformation of the an object image to the its image. Okay, transformation of the object to its image. Okay, let's how we draw the reflection. There are two type of reflection basically. One is vertical reflection, and second is horizontal reflection. One is vertical reflection and second one is horizontal reflection. Now what is vertical reflection? If like we say this is an object A, B, C, or we can say triangle, and this is the line of symmetry, this is the mirror, or we can say this is the mirror by which its symmetric figure is to be drawn. So we can draw like this. This is A dash, this is C dash, and this is B dash. This is how we draw the symmetric figure, draw the reflection. This is said to be reflection of triangle ABC which is given above the line, and this is nothing but a example of vertical reflection. If this reflection is done horizontally like this one, This is known as horizontal reflection. When the mirror line or mirror is placed vertical, then the reflection is said to be horizontal reflection. And if mirror line or mirror is placed horizontally, then the reflection is said to be vertical reflection. Now what is the line of symmetry? हमने इसमें बताया है कि लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री क्या है तुम्हारी, कि ये फिगर इस फिगर के साथ सिमेट्रिक है, लेकिन उसके साथ ये बताना जरूरी है कि ये लाइन इस लाइन के अबाउट ये फिगर इस फिगर के सिमेट्रिक है। ठीक है, तो ये लाइन क्या हो जाती है, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। सो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज दैट द एनी फिगर इज mirror image of each other or symmetric on the both side of that line. So line of symmetry is that line on the both side of which the figure is exactly copied in the shape, in the size. Okay, दोनों तरफ, उस लाइन के दोनों तरफ जो इमेज है वो बराबर ही होनी चाहिए। Now how we can draw reflection? So for drawing reflection, if it is given like this, suppose this is our object A, B, C, and we have to draw a horizontal reflection, then we will draw this figure may be disturbed because A dash, B dash and C dash. This distance should be equal, this angle should be equal. Okay, so suppose this is 90-degree angle, so here also, here is 90-degree angle, so here also this is the 90-degree angle, and obviously the figure is not made good, but you can understand that we have to make this figure according to the measurement of these figures. Okay, so and A is corresponding to A dash, B is corresponding to B dash, and C is corresponding to C dash. This is the reflection or image, mirror image of any object or figure, and this is also this is known as mirror line or line of symmetry. This is. Now how can we identify the line of symmetry in any given figure? How can we identify the line of symmetry? अभी तक हमने जो भी देखा है वो ऑब्जेक्ट के बाहर की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री देखी। लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज बाहर, इज आउटसाइड ऑफ द फिगर। रिफ्लेक्शन कहाँ है, रिफ्लेक्शन किसका हो रहा है, रिफ्लेक्शन होगा तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है मिरर से रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, जिसकी वजह से वो जो मिरर होता है वही लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हो जाता है। लेकिन फिगर में भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आवर बॉडी इज कंप्लीटली द मिरर इमेज ऑफ लेफ्ट हाफ टू द राइट हाफ। So our body's line of symmetry will pass from right of the center to like this way. Okay, we have an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle, and we have these sides are equal. Then we have one line of symmetry which passes through in this way. This is 90-degree angle, this is 90-degree angle, and this will be the line of symmetry because दोनों तरफ इस लाइन के दोनों तरफ फिगर जो है वो एकदम एक जैसा है, बिल्कुल। मेजरमेंट में भी दिस साइड इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड, एंड दिस एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल। सो द फिगर इज both side figure are congruent, and due to which we can say this is the line of symmetry. So by this way we can find the line of symmetry. How can we identify the given figure? Like this is an oval and we have drawn this line. we can see that this is the line, on the both side of this line the figure is exactly same. So this is said to be line of symmetry. There is one also line of symmetry. If we draw a horizontal line which passes through the center of this oval and also center major axis, then the figure above this line and the figure below this line is the symmetric figure, and this is said to be again a line of symmetry. So an oval or an ellipse have the two line of symmetry. Okay, now circle, how many lines of symmetry are there? So for circle there are infinite line of symmetry, because from the center there are numerous infinite number of lines which can passing through its center, and the lines passing through the center is infinite. So line of symmetry will be infinite for any circle. For semicircle, there is only one line of symmetry. For 1/4 of a circle. Quadrant, for quadrant there is a one line of symmetry. Okay, so we can find this, we draw a line by if there are two equal parts are made, then that line is said to be line of symmetry, and we can identify like this. An equilateral triangle have three line of symmetry, because we can draw this from any vertices and we can get the symmetric figure. Okay, this is the identifying the line of symmetry. Next, now drawing figure with line of symmetry. Suppose that this is a figure and we have to make it symmetric figure. This is said, ये बता दिया गया है कि ये जो लाइन M है ये क्या है, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. So we will make this will be said to be the completed the figure. हम इस जैसा इस लाइन के इधर फिगर बना हुआ है वैसा ही इस लाइन के इधर भी फिगर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे, या फिगर एग्जैक्टली फिगर वहीं बनाएंगे जैसी भी डायरेक्शन इधर ली गई है, तो तभी ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कही जाएगी. ठीक है, तो हमें ये बताया गया था कि ये फिगर बना हुआ है. थोड़ा सिंपल फिगर ले लेते हैं, और like if this is our given figure, ये हमें फिगर दिया गया है और कहा गया ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है, तो इसमें A पॉइंट, B पॉइंट, C पॉइंट, D पॉइंट, E पॉइंट एंड F पॉइंट, ऐसे पॉइंट मार्क कर दो. एंड देन आफ्टर you have to draw a line segment like this, this, and this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. This is the completed figure. So how can we complete the figure? By line of symmetry, just exactly figure, copying that exactly figure on the both side, but inverted also. This will be inverted according to this. This is this way and this is like this. Okay, so this is the line of symmetry. अगर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री गिवन है तो हम वैसा ही फिगर दूसरे साइड में कॉपी कर देते हैं. और इसे क्या कहा जाता है, लाइन ऑफ ड्राइंग फिगर विद लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो विद दिस ऑल दीज थिंग्स, सिमेट्री, रिफ्लेक्शन क्या है, रिफ्लेक्शन एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है जिसमें हम एक लाइन, एक मिरर हमारे, जैसे हम देखते हैं मिरर में अपना फिगर देखते हैं तो पता चलता है कि जितनी दूरी से हम देख रहे हैं हमें ऐसा ही मालूम पड़ता है कि उतनी ही दूरी पर वो इमेज बनी हुई है. एट द सेम डिस्टेंस द इमेज इज फॉर्म. सो दैट मिरर is said to be line of symmetry. That mirror in which we will see, that is known as line of symmetry, and the image and we are the of same size, because image is like that our size of ours. Okay, so at the same way, in the same way we can get reflection of other objects. We have to then after draw reflections, we have draw the reflections. Line symmetry, line symmetry is that if any figure contains a line which bisects this figure exactly in two parts, two equal parts, then that line is said to be line symmetry. And identifying line symmetry is identified very easily if we draw a line. If the two parts of that figure by that line are equal or congruent in equal in shape and size or congruent, then we will say that this line is line of symmetry. Now if we are given the line of symmetry and incomplete figure, we can complete that figure by seeing the one side of that figure. Okay, now the last topic is rotation. rotation का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को घुमाना. अब रोटेशन एंड रोटेशनल सिमेट्री क्या होती है? रोटेशन का मतलब ये होता है कि सपोज करिए कि ये एक हमारा फिगर है, इसको हम किसी पॉइंट के अबाउट रोटेट करा दें तो पॉइंट के अबाउट या एक्सिस के अबाउट रोटेट कराने पर ये 0 डिग्री से 360 डिग्री तक घुमाने में कितनी बार सेम शेप ले लेता है, इसी को सिमेट्री कहते हैं, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री कहते हैं. रोटेशन मतलब घुमाना किसी भी फिगर को. रोटेशन का मतलब क्या हुआ? घुमाना. और अगर हम इसको 0 से लेकर के 360 डिग्री तक घुमाते हैं और जितनी बार ये फिगर अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आ जाता है उतने ही बार क्या हो जाता है, इसकी रोटेशनल सिमेट्री, उतने ही डिग्री की रोटेशनल सिमेट्री इसकी हो जाती है. ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री क्या कहते हैं? जितनी बार 0 से 360 डिग्री घुमाने पर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट करने पर द सेम फिगर, इनिशियल फिगर विल केम और सोन, देन दैट नंबर ऑफ times is said to be order of rotational symmetry. Like suppose this is the figure. If we rotate it, I will make the smaller figure. Suppose that this is our figure A, B, C, D. After rotating it 90 degree, we will get this is B, rotating, this will come to here, this will come to here, A and C and D. This is again rotating 90 degree. We will get A, B, C and D. Again 90 degree, rotating 90 degree. And this will A, B, C, D. And again rotating 90 degree, we will get this figure again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 times we have get original figure. we have marked ABCD so that we can make this, that this point is came to here, but the shape is remains constant 4 times. We have rotating this object. So this object or this image or this figure have order 4 rotational symmetry. Okay, this is known as order of the symmetry. From 0 degree to 360 degree, if we rotate any figure and the figure comes in between, comes to its original position, then it is said to be the rotational symmetry. Okay, and this is also the order of rotation symmetry or rotational symmetry. Okay, so that's it. I think the chapter is completed. If something remains, then you can ask me, and also do the questions. If you face any problem, then you can comment me or your respected teachers. Okay, thank you. With this, have a nice day. Okay.